I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable baby set with your Sublimation Printer and heat press. So keep watching! Okay, I'm also testing out my new camera, so I'm hoping it works well. We shall see. This is the Romper I got from Laughing Giraffe. It's got the little footies, it's a snap up, and it's 65% poly, 35% cotton. Okay, it's the heathered color, and then I got the matching hat. So we got my heat press heating up. It's almost to temp. I'm just testing and experimenting and trying new things to add to my shop. I wanted to like tinker with the size, and I'm almost wondering if this is going to be too big, but I'm just using the same sheet of paper. I just ran it back through so I didn't have to waste another sheet of paper for just the name. And I don't know, we'll see if it's gonna work. I think the name's a little big, but in the Sawgrass print manager, it only let me shrink to, I think it was like 0.84. So, and then it's by like 4 or something. So we'll see if it fits. Fingers crossed, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut it out, and then we're gonna prep our blank. And I'm still learning so much about sublimation. I am by no means an expert. I made this shirt, by the way. I love doing just simple monogram stuff. If I put these all on one sheet, in the Sawgrass print manager, I'm not sure how to work that yet, so I just printed it twice to make sure. So I've got my name for the hat, my name for the gown. So let's go ahead and prep our items. Okay, so for the hat, we got to figure out where we're going to put it. We're going to put it on the front part. So just with like embroidery, you'll flip it inside out and make sure we put that front part where we want it. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to pre-press to get the moisture out, and then we're gonna try it. So we're at 375 right now. I know a lot of people had mentioned this heat press takes a little bit to get heated up, but I just turn it on when I go in the room, and by the time I have my blank ready to press, it's ready. So I mean, I'm used to my old heat press, so I didn't know they really heated up faster. I always had to come in, turn the heat press on, and then get the item ready. It's not instant. So if you are looking for like an instant one, I'll link like a super expensive one below. And if you are looking for a different one, this one, again, this heat press is super cute. I mean, it's adorable and it does the job. But if you're looking for like a endurance, like super quick, gets hot in like 0.8 seconds, I don't know what the real time is, then this one might not be the one for you. But it has worked wonderfully, and I love this. Woohoo! It's been so much fun. Alright, so we pre-pressed it. It's ready. So let's see if I can get you in. You can hear it. I'm sure you can hear the buzzing in the background. When it's heating up, it goes, you hear that? But I mean, okay. So for this one, we have the little name. Oh, let me get my sheet ready. I do want to try an all over print, but I'm thinking about how I'm going to stretch it, whether I'm going to use like a foam insert or cardboard. I did not like the heat pads, the T-paddets that I got. I didn't like those. I got to figure out how to use them better. I'm going to be totally honest with you. When I try something, if I don't like it, I don't like it. So I didn't like the way it created like a line around the shirts. I want to try it for sleeves, and maybe I was using it wrong, too much pressure. I mean, it definitely could have been user error, but I've been using like a dish towel. My friend told me about using a dish towel. So that's what we're gonna do with the baby gown, I think. So let's get this pressed. Okay, so we got the name. It is mirrored. Okay, woo, that's a little tight. So I am gonna trim it just a little bit. And I'm gonna fold it to find center, okay? And then I'm gonna place where I want it. Okay, I'm gonna use a little tape too. Okay, and I'm just lining it up with that seam, kind of lining it up here. Oh, that's good. So you can see it's taped to the center. Okay, fingers right, we are at 394, so I'm gonna go ahead and press it. All right, so I've got my butcher paper. I didn't lint roll. Ooh! Uh-oh. Don't forget to lint roll. Just gonna go for it. Okay. Got it pushed in. All right, so I'm gonna do 60 seconds. So my timer is still got 30 seconds. I probably should have covered this part, but I think it'll be okay. And we'll see how it turns out. I'm sorry I have to bend like this. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's get you close so you can see it. Okay, here we go. Oh gosh, that looks cute. Oh my word, that is adorable. Oh, please tell me I did this right. Oh, I did. Now I will say, that was black ink. So, okay. I am so excited. It looks adorable. Look at that. That's a long name. I was a little worried it wasn't gonna fit. Okay, but that was black ink. I had it set for black, and that's 65%. I had it set on Vivid Print, so that's the black ink on Vivid. So it's almost like, I would say a dark charcoal gray, but it is adorable. They're gonna love it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the baby gown. And I wonder, you know, I didn't lint roll it, so maybe that had something to do with it. I'm gonna lint roll the baby gown. Oh, he's gonna look so cute. So we're gonna prep our onesie. And you know what? I think we might be okay if I can get this off. So the reason you would use a tea pad or pressing pillow is if you can't, oh, I found the perfect thing. I'm probably just gonna use this burp cloth in the middle. I think that would be perfect. I think, yeah, because it's the perfect height. It'd fit good. Okay, so you would use a pressing pillow, the tea paddets. They're there to bring the pressure, especially if you have like a seam or a ruffle or something you want to elevate. I know one time I did an apron with a pocket, and the pocket got all the ink and the rest of it didn't, just that little difference of height. So let's get it pre-pressed and get it done. Oh, but you can see, look at that. You see where it was? You can see the ink. So always, I know it seems wasteful, but you can use these to write on. I give them to my kids to draw on. You can use them for other things, but you really need a new sheet every time. This is butcher paper. I'll link it below. I get it from Sam's Club, and it is ginormous. I would pick it up for you, but it's huge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-press it just real quick. Okay, now I'm probably gonna fold it in half because that's just what I do. I do this for embroidery or sublimation. I love finding center. Sometimes these necklines get a little wonky, so I try my best. Seems about right. I'm just gonna do a quick. All right, now it's time for the thing. Let's see if I can, let's see. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try something new. Again, I'm not an expert at sublimation. I'm still learning as I go, but I didn't like the look of the tea pad. And I really don't want to buy pressing pillows because I do all different sizes. So let's see if I could just elevate that just enough with this. This is a cloth diaper that I'm actually going to be embroidering. Let's just see if I can elevate. It's got that strip in there. If I can elevate it enough away from these foldy envelope folds to do it. Okay, so I also have learned, do not trim close around the name. You'll leave a big circle. So just leave it. I always center my designs in the print manager. That way I know I can just fold it in half and find center. Okay, so I'm just finding my center on here. I'm gonna make it a little higher because it is for a baby. So I'm going about 1 inch down. You can see with the gap, it's about 1 inch down from the neck. Okay, ooh, it's exciting. Let's see, do I want to use tape? Okay, I do see that it's getting a little stuck right there. So I'm gonna go, so it's gonna be right here at the chest, right kind of the center seam. Okay. Let's see if this works. And I know a lot of people worry about bleed through, so especially with white items, I did have one item bleed through. So a lot of people put parchment paper, and I am worried about the snap right here. So let's scooch this down. I don't know what would happen if you heat up the snap, but I'm gonna try to avoid it. Okay. All right, moment of truth, let's go. Okay, I do feel a pressure difference. So I'm gonna, let's see. So many things I'm still learning, but that's a great thing about learning something new. That's why you make samples. You just try things out and see what works, see what fonts you like, see what colors work. You don't wanna offer, so say I would have done a mock-up of this and I said it would have a black font on it. Well, without doing it first, I would have never known that it's not going to show up black on this particular item. It's going to show up charcoal gray. And then the customer probably wouldn't be happy. But I think mock-ups are fantastic. There's something about just trying it out and seeing if things work. Okay, we got 5 seconds left. There we go. Let's see. Oh. Look at that. How adorable is that? All right, so there is the final look. It is so cute. I'm not sure if it's too high yet. I don't think so, because when it's on the baby, you're gonna want it high. You don't want it too low. But look at that. So there is the final product. It's so cute. So there would be the full set. I forgot to lint roll. Guys, I forgot to lint roll, so don't forget to lint roll. Oh my gosh, that's what I get for trying to rush. Okay, so, but it still turned out wonderful. I will say I did have a little bit of shadowing back here, so make sure you put your parchment paper in between. Lint roll, I'm still learning so much, but trying out new things for my shop. I mean, come on. Oh gosh, that is adorable. So cute. And honestly, like if I wasn't filming this, I do all my fonts and designing in PicMonkey right now, and then I will print it out with the print manager in this, but literally minutes for this. And I would probably sell this a little bit cheaper than my embroidery, but it literally took minutes, and I think it's gonna be such a cute addition to my shop and a way to offer a little bit of a lesser price point. And some people don't like embroidery, so I'm trying to hit all of those baskets. So look how adorable. Again, this is the Laughing Giraffe, 65% poly, 35% cotton. Adorable. Still, I'm learning so much, so make sure you lint roll. See, that one didn't bleed through, and put parchment paper in between, and it's going to be a great sample for my shop. So now I probably will take pictures and try to get that listed. I'm still determining a price. I think that font is adorable. So thank you so much for watching me make samples. This cute, adorable little set. Again, this is from Laughing Giraffe, and I'm sure other places sell them as well. That's just where I got this from. And I'm gonna test these, and like I said, I'm gonna test these and see if I can embroider on them, as well as sublimate, so that I can get 2 products out of 1 blank. I'm trying to minimize my inventory and the headache of keeping a lot of inventory on hand, and really just maximize what I can do with the products I have. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.